If you've been seeing the Shape Oil Microneedle patch all over social media and wondering whether it's actually worth buying, here's my quick take. The idea behind this patch is pretty simple. It uses tiny microneedles infused with shape oil ingredients that are designed to penetrate the skin more effectively than a regular topical product. The application is easy, and the patches stay in place well during use. What I liked is that they're convenient and mess-free. Unlike creams or oils, there's no residue, and the targeted application makes the process straightforward. Some users report smoother-looking skin and improved texture after consistent use. However, results aren't instant. Like most skincare products, you'll likely need regular use before noticing meaningful changes. The price may also feel a bit high compared to traditional skincare options. Overall, if you're curious about microneedle patch technology and don't mind paying a premium for convenience, the Shape Oil Microneedle patch could be worth trying. Just keep your expectations realistic.